Hello everybody, we are in Kadıköy. So we are just walking around as usual. I want to show you some good places for coffee and for food. Yeah, it's an amazing spot. And yeah, Kadiköy is famous for its coffee shops and the food and the desserts. Now have a look at here how yummy it is. Chocolate bar. This place is opposite of cemetery and its name is Akveren Makarna. Here we go. Okay. You can see fresh juices and kahve dünyası. In Kadiköy, there are lots of choices. In the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, there are lots of stuff to get. Even electronic devices or souvenirs for presents or nazar boncuğu to protect from the evil eyes. Okay, so we are just in front of Beyaz Fırın, which is one of the well-known places when it comes to desserts and so on. Beyaz Fırın. And next to Beyaz Fırın, there is Cafe Erol. Oh my god, when I come here, I really lose my mind. Cafe Erol is full of desserts and chocolates. I always lose my mind when I come here. And inside, you can buy some stuff. Here, as you see, they sell fig jams, apricot jams, and so on. And they also sell chocolates as usual and Turkish coffee. You have lots of stuff to get as a present, or you know, it's a very good one. And baklava. Wow, okay, I need to go. And there's akide şekeri as well. As you see, and the prices are here. The tea is 90 lira. Desserts prices and some traditional desserts and desserts with milks, but everything is so fresh. Trust me, it's very fresh. So okay, there is this place, plaka, for the presents. Hediyelik eşya. Present means hediye in Turkish. And this street is has lots of choices like Şekerci Cafe Erol, for example, or the kokoreç and all these street foods. You love it, the kokoreç. I don't know if you ever try, but I go back a bit. This is mostly the meeting point. Okay. So if you like lahmacun, Hacıoğlu is quite famous. But if you like kunefe from Antakya, this is the right spot for kunefe. It's very cool. So I just crossed from the Hacıoğlu for lahmacun. Right spot. Okay, there are so many things to see, but I don't have time, so I will go back soon. This is the center of Kadıköy. And if you like pide, not only lahmacun, you can come to Hacıoğlu. And you know, they make it fresh here. And it's very clean. You see the man, he's preparing lahmacun and pide. Okay. Cafe Erol. From far, it looks so good, right? Yeah, it's a nice, very nice decor. And the Mercan, you see the sign. Mercan is also very famous for its seafood and midye and cockroach. Mercan is quite famous. If you like cockroach and midye, people wait at the queue, and it's very good. You see all the fish, types of fish, like you can have the cockroach here. Sit here in the Mercan. Yeah, people are having cockroach. Kadiköy is not only nice during the day, it's also nice during the night because there are lots of choices like ıslamak. For example, ıslama köfte. It's from Adapazarı, Ahmet Usta. Okay, the homemade food like mercimek, lentils for işkembe. So, yeah, this is pretty much about Kadiköy in the evening. I just walk to the ship. I will cross from Kadiköy to Beşiktaş by ship, and it takes only 14 minutes. And this is wow. And Shishko coffee. I think I showed you these desserts in my previous videos. They are also famous with their donuts, but when it comes to doner, Bambi is the best one. Bambi is the best one, trust me. It's very good. I have been coming to Bambi since the last 10 to 15 years. It has a big store. It has like 2 floors, Bambi. So this is all about Kadıköy. I will finish my video here. Hope to see you soon around. Take care.